I'm Tracy Higdon. I'm the lieutenant on Engine 1. This evening we were called to a residential building fire. When we arrived, we found it to be a cooking fire on the stovetop. The fire had been extinguished by the homeowner with a fire extinguisher prior to our arrival. We checked the cabinets in the attic and found there was no extension. This is a good example of why it's important to have working smoke detectors and a fire extinguisher in your home. This was a stovetop fire that was extinguished by the homeowner with their extinguisher, and they were alerted to the fire with their smoke detectors.